Guys, welcome to my tutorial video. This is Bukas masterclass, and as you can see, you are looking at a Bitcoin chart in TradingView. In this tutorial video, what I'm going to teach you is how to use there are more things you need to know about MaskEX trading, futures trading. So in this video, you are going to learn one thing, which is how to cut your profit and reduce the position amount, the principal amount you used in opening a trade on MaskEX. That is what you are going to learn in this particular tutorial video. So you're going to learn how to cut your profit while the trade is running. You will cut your profit without closing the trade. This is what you are going to learn in this tutorial video. First of all, let us check the price of Bitcoin and other coins we have. So today Bitcoin is trading at 19495. You guys can see what I teach you in my previous video. Please, if you have not watched that video, you can use the link I will drop in this video description. Use it and watch it, how to use RSI to determine the direction of the market. You can see very well that this RSI touched the upper band here, and after touching this upper band, the price started dumping. And what did I told you guys? I told you that whenever you see the RSI at the upper band of this triangular box, it is time for you to short the market, and whenever you see it at the lower band, it is time for you to long the market. So as we forge ahead, the Bitcoin price is trading at this. Ethereum as well is trading at 1321, and BCH, one of my favorite coin as well, is trading at 109.25. we made a lot of money from this coin. Well, at least we entered this coin from the below price of 17, and we are in profit. We entered here at 1074 and we took it to 1012. So it's a nice one, guys. Thank you for trading, and thank you for always trading with me as well. So let's check other coins like Link. Link also made a nice move, and now Link is dumping as well like others. And on some of the coins, Matic trading at 0.85, SOL Solana trading at 30.64, and Mana trading at 0.637. Sand, the same thing at 0.778. And in this last week, GMT traded a lot. GMT had a nice move to the 0.6059, and now GMT is dumping. And we see most coins that did the same thing as well. So, and we saw there is a move on Shiba after dumping to 4.09, and today we can see this 4.10. So it's a nice move. Then market is trying to recover, and but still, what you can also take out from this video is that the sellers, that is the bear market, is still intact because of what? The inflation and everything. At least yesterday, Nigeria inflation raised to 22.4 since highest since 2005, and you can see that US inflation raised to 8.2, highest since I think since February, lowest since February. So many things are happening, and we are still heading backward in the market, but don't worry, the market will still bounce back anytime soon. So what do we do now? Let me show you what the main aim of this video. After checking this price, the main aim of this video is how to take profit on your MaskEX account. So now this is a trade running on MaskEX, and you can see that if you are looking at here, you can see that this here now this price is 4.30, and you all know that in MaskEX you cannot open a trade with 4.30. It must be $10. But what happened, I have taken some profit from this trade. So because I took some profit in this trade, that is why the margin amount reduced. This is in MaskEX. You can see we call it principal USDT. The principal USDT is reduced. That is the amount I use in opening the trade. When I open this trade, I open this trade with $10. You understand? I open this trade with $10 just to test some certain things. Okay, so but when the trade was running in profit, in a good profit, I think I took about $1 profit from the trade and left the trade to continue running. So I took $1 profit in the trade and reduced the principal USDT. So this is one thing that I can tell you that most of you don't know that this thing exists in MaskEX. So, and that's why I want to show you today that it do exist in MaskEX. Let's say you are running a trade and your trade has gone to 100%. This percent doesn't change, only what changes is this one. So let me now show you demo trade where I can see a trade with good profit. Oh shit. No, we are not having a good profit here. And okay, I think let me show you from here. Okay, let's say for example, okay, let me show you from here. So for example, this trade is running now on 0.35 profit, and I want to take partial profit from this trade. Let's say I want to take this 0.35 profit. Okay, let's say I want to take 0.2 profit from this one and keep, then allow the trade to still be running. So what you do first, you come here and close and click on close. Now when I click on close, you can see that this is the amount position size of this trade is 6.8 atom. That is the position size, number of positions. Now the estimated profit and loss is 0.39 USDT. So now is 0.39 USDT, but I want to cut 0.2. I want to take 0.20. So okay, see here, I want you to focus on here because it's reducing, it's fluctuating, the price is fluctuating. So this is the profit I want to take out from this trade now. I want to take out this profit from this trade now so that I can leave the trade to continue running. Remember what happens when you take out this profit, the USDT will be added to your balance and the position size also will reduce. This is 3.9 position size will be reduced from 6.89. So when I click like this now, you can now see that my percent remain the same, but here my income has reduced because I have minus something from it. Now look, one thing again, that this my principal USDT here has changed. I am now on this trade with 1.80. okay, that is the principle of this trade. So anything that happens in this trade, I am in total profit because first of all I have taken profit from the first time when it we had a long I think 20% profit then. So I cut about $1 something and added it to my balance. Then now I cut again and added back to my balance. As I am cutting it, the position size, the principal USDT is also reducing. So what happened is this: even if later on in the future and this trade started going against me, I'm not going to lose more money that I have earned. So that is why this thing is very, very important. even if anytime if this trade is going against me, I'm not going to lose more money that I have earned. You understand? So why? It's very simple. How to do it is not take profit, or it's not about taking profit this one. So what you do is you click on close, and remember, once you click on this one, you are closing the entire trade. If you don't want to close the entire trade, you just want to take partial profit, you scroll this thing like this. So you scroll this thing like this, you monitor. You see here, you see here. So this is the place you adjust it like this, and you take what? Partial profit. So when you adjust it like this, you just click on confirm and you close. So now you can see that I am now opening this position with 1.8 USD. I can leave this trade to run for years to even get more profit. So this is very, very important, guys, and it is helpful. You cut your profit, you still leave your trade to run. You cut your profit, as the trade goes on, you still reduce your profit. You add your profit to your balance, you remove some principal USDT using opening it, you still leave some while the trade run. This thing will help you not to lose all or even get liquidated in the long run. So right now you can see that I'm in safe in this trade because of what? Even if the trade goes against me, I am not going to lose more money because I have already taken my profit, and the trade is still running. So this is very, very important, guys. You can see now that the profit has risen to 0.18 again. So if I want to still do something again, let me check the demo trade I'm running. Okay, I think this trade is not fast enough. Okay, let's say I want to take from here again. You can see this is 1.8153 USDT. Let's say I want to take $1 out of this trade. I want you to be looking at this below here that writes USDT here. So now I'm going to take $1 out of this trade. This is the profit. This is profit I've made, though. I'm going to remove it. So when I click here, you see this thing changes, and I have taken I've taken $1. That $1 has been added back. It has been added back to my balance with the, and remember, the amount size has also reduced. So I have reduced the amount I use in opening the trade, and I have also reduced the amount the principal USDT I use in opening the trade. So I am well safe now. You can see that. So this will encourage you to trade more, and for I can say that MaskEX has these things. MaskEX only is the only exchange I see that has this thing happening like this. So it's very, very good for my people. You can use it. This thing itself, with this strategy, you can use any leverage of your choice. You can use 1000 leverage, you can use 100 leverage. So because you are sure that once that trade go maybe 1% from your 100 leverage, you are going to cut the profit and reduce the amount you use in entering the trade, and now you now relax for the trade to make more money. So guys, it is very, very important, and it is very, very helpful. You can do it on your own trade. You trade, you cut your profit, you trail your profit, and you keep making more money. So even if this trade goes against me right now, I'm not going to lose more than I have earned. That is the importance of this. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I remain Ernest Bukas, and you just watched Bukas masterclass. Please do well and subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share to your friends as well. Make sure you have found your MaskEX account. Make sure you invite your friends to trade on MaskEX, your wallet, your way. Thank you.